Unstructured recently raised $25 million to go after the LLM space, and they're not building LLMs. Instead, they're trying to make it easier for enterprises to process unstructured text-based data to use as inputs in LLMs that they build. Here's why this is an interesting case study in startup strategy. Unstructured is trying to go after a problem that enterprises hit earlier in their adoption cycle of LLMs. Before you can even think about developing LLMs or deploying LLMs, you have to get the data ready first. By going after a problem that occurs earlier in the customer adoption cycle, Unstructured is actually reducing their dependencies to adoption. This is essentially how mature a company has to be in order to adopt their product. At My Startup Correlated, we're building machine learning models on top of customer data to identify the best leads. But before you can do that, you actually have to integrate data. We're in a more mature market than LLMs, but you can see how data readiness is a dependency to adoption. Now, it's okay to have these dependencies, but you just have to be aware that if you do have dependencies, you're going to have to think of ways to address them.